Dora tugs gently at the edge of Moana's canoe, the cool sea breeze fluttering through her hair. In Dora's palm rests a glowing compass shaped like a tiny star, its light pulsing with each heartbeat. Moana glances at the star compass, determination settling in her eyes. "This belongs to the sky," she says softly. "We need to help it return home." Beneath them, the ocean sparkles, promising adventure. Beneath a swath of indigo clouds, the canoe glides toward the nearest magical island. Mystic birds with feathers like painted rainbows circle overhead, and the shore bristles with whispering palms. As Dora steps off, the palm trees bow, revealing a path that glows faintly. Each step makes the compass shine brighter. Deeper in the island forest, a mischievous monkey swings alongside Dora and Moana, snatching a fruit from above and offering it as a gift. The monkey gestures toward a waterfall, its cascading waters shining with a spectral glow that matches the star compass's light. Dora gasps. The waterfall hides a portal. Moana nods, remembering stories of ways the sky meets the earth. Together they leap behind the waterfall, finding themselves on another island floating above the clouds. Here, the air hums with energy. Moana consults the compass, and its light points toward a mountaintop where the stars struggle to twinkle but fail. Dora notices the stars above seem to flicker, one place empty, as if waiting for its missing piece. Climbing through chattering caves filled with enchanted fireflies, Dora and Moana are briefly separated.